Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can take a screenshot with the Huawei Nova 5T. So let me show you the first way because we have many ways to do it. The first way works with the buttons, with the power button and with the volume down button. If you press these both buttons for the same time, you will have a screenshot. One more time, the power button and the volume down button for the same time, and you will have a screenshot. If you want, you can tap on the preview and you can share it directly. Or you can also edit it if you want. If you want to crop here just a part of the screenshot, and so on and so on. Just go here and confirm, and then it's saved to our gallery. Okay, the second way to take a screenshot is by going to the shortcuts, scroll down a second time, and then we have here the point screenshot, and we will take a screenshot as well. Okay, the third way is working with the knuckle. So if you double knuck on the screen, you will have a screenshot as well. Okay, one more time, the knuck, double knuck here on the screen, and you have immediately a screenshot. Okay, and there's another way by scrolling down with 3 fingers, then you have a screenshot as well. So these were the 4 ways. One more time, the last one, use the 3 fingers, and you have a screenshot as well. And the last 2 points you have to enable sometimes. For that you go on the settings, and then we need the point smart assistance, then we need the point shortcuts and gestures, and then we need here the point take a screenshot. So that one has to be enabled, the knuckle screenshot for knuckle, and this one has to be enabled here, the 3 finger screenshot. If you are scrolling down, you will always have also some instructions here. Like this, huh? Here are the instructions. Okay, yeah. After you will find the pictures at the gallery, and here they are. And if you have a look on the albums, it has its own category named screenshots. Okay, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.